Hey everyone, in just 3 minutes, I'll show you how small models with Ollama perform when creating knowledge graphs. By the end, you'll know exactly which models work best and how to optimize your setup. This screen shows you the configuration on Cognee for Ollama models. You need to define the LLM API key as Ollama, Ollama's model, and the local host where you're running your Ollama server. Also, we're adding here embedding providers, embedding dimensions, and Hugging Face tokenizer. Why are we doing this? Knowledge graphs are essential for creating agent-ready data layers. They structure information so AI can effectively use your data. But while the cloud models like ChatGPT 4 or 4.0 mini excel at this, many users still want solutions that work offline, keep the data private, run on your own hardware, and cost less to operate. Cognee, our open source memory engine, we help exactly with these challenges. So what's the core challenge? Creating knowledge graph requires structured outputs, specifically consistent JSON that follows the schema like any JSON would, right? And in the end, we need to test various models with Ollama to see what can actually produce the correct JSON that we need. We tried running our script, which is the simple example script that effectively just turns a few sentences into the Cognate graph and others. The best performance we have seen with 5.4 and Gemma 3. So these models actually can generate graphs. So here you can see the 5 visualization. Here is the Gemma example. So they're pretty much consistent. Where this fails is where we have a bigger amount of data. So we tried to load the Alice in Wonderland, the entire novel. Didn't really work. So in the end, we needed to resort to Qwen 2, 14 billion parameter models and others. And then only with Llama 3.3, we were actually able to get reliable outputs and process larger data sets. What could be some tips that we've seen that work is to use detail-filled descriptions in your schema, add reasoning fields to guide the graph model, request JSON, request HTML. It seems LLMs are very good at generating HTML for some reason. I wonder why. And then consider YAML instead of JSON also for better results. Keep the schema simple and try to get a quick set of examples you can run on your machine. As you can see, the right models can produce the right outputs, but effectively we still lack a bit on the lower end models, and 5.4 is the best we have at this point. So try it out and check our repo and have a look, and we're happy to give more feedback on this one. Thanks for watching.